सहयोग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा University, Nanded. Good morning, all the students of class BSc-SY, subject Zoology, paper number 2nd, name of the paper Biodiversity of Chordate, semester 1st, unit number 2nd, Protochordates. Today's topic is the protochordates. In this we detail study about Urochordate. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Thus, in the last period, we see the chordate, then general characteristics of chordate, classification of chordate, then one by one we detail study about these different classes of chordate. First is the protochordate. Generally, pro means first, chordates means notochord present animals. Generally, protochordates. Generally, as related to protochordates, primitive chordates are collectively known as protochordate, or the protochordata means made by the Greek word protos means first, chordi means chord. They consist three major subdivisions. They are ranked as a subphylum Hemichordata, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. This division is chiefly based on the notochord found in the three subphyla. In Hemichordate, the notochord is of doubtful existence. It is represented by a short stomodial diverticulum or called stomochord to the proboscis. For this reason, the Hemichordata is nowadays treated as an independent invertebrate phylum. The Urochordata have notochord only in the tail of the tadpole larva. In the cephalochordate have a persistent notochord extending along the whole length of their body throughout the life. Generally, protochordate is divided by main three subphylum Hemichordata, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. They are based on the presence of notochord. Generally, at one time, protochordates are considered to be distinct phylum, but it has no such official sanction now. Even then, the term protochordate have been retained for the convenience of the study. Why we study about the protochordate? That is also called the significance of protochordate, importance of protochordate. Generally, these protochordates are of little economics importance, but they have the great phylogenetics significance to the zoologist. They show great affinities and perhaps common origin with the living vertebrates. They are retain the three basic chordate features, that is presence of notochord, presence of hollow dorsal nerve cord and pharyngeal gill slit throughout the life. As such, they are considered most primitive and borderline chordate, closer to the ancestor, which probably gave rise to the final and the largest group of chordate, the vertebrate. Generally, this comparison of three protochordate subphylum, these are the earlier arrangement of recognizing the taxonomic status of phylum Protochordata have been given up nowadays because the three subphyla do not show any intimate relationship. No doubt they all possess the three fundamental or the primitive chordate characteristics like the presence of notochord, presence of dorsal hollow nerve cord and pharyngeal gill slit. but they differ from one another in the several ways. Their chief contrasting characters have been summarized in the table. Generally, they are differentiated this protochordate. First subphylum is Urochordata. Hemichordata, they are completed in the first semester. In the second semester, or they study about subphylum second Urochordata. First subphylum, first Hemichordata, they are included the first paper invertebrate. In this paper, we detail study about subphylum Urochordata. Generally, Urochordata, their general characteristics, they are exclusively marine and cosmopolitan. They are found all the seas and at all the depth. Mostly they are the sedentary, or it is also called fixed, some pelagic or free swimming. Third character, they are the very simple, solitary, means they are live in the separate. They are also aggregated in the groups or the composite, or it is also called colonial. That is also, this animal is the very simple, solitary. Some are they found in the colonial or grouped. Their size is 0.25 to 250 millimeter. Shape and color is also variable. Next character, their adult body degenerate, sac-like, unsegmented, without the paired appendages and usually without tail. Next character, body covered by a primitive tunic, or it is also called the test, which is composed by the chemical, it is called tunicin, similar to the cellulose, hence the name tunicate. Generally, Urochordata is also called as the tunicate animal. Next character, a terminal branchial aperture and a dorso-atrial aperture usually present. Next character, coelom absent. Instead, an ectoderm-lined arterial cavity present which open to outside through the atrial aperture. Next character, notochord present only in the larval condition or only present in the tail region. Hence the name is called Urochordata. As related some external character, also to see some internal characters, they see with the help of the dissection. That is the first alimentary canal, it is also called digestive system. They are the complete pharynx branchial sac, large with endostyle and two several pairs of gill slits. In these animals, they having the capacity for the ciliary feeding habit, or it is also called ciliary feeders. Respiration through the taste and gill slits. Respiration of these animals, they are completed with the help of the respiratory organ, it is called gill slits. In this animal, blood vascular system open, heart is very simple, tubular and ventral. Flow of blood periodically reversed. Special vena ductile in the blood extract vanadium from the seawater. Also, the next character is the excretion. Unnecessary, unwanted material, they are removed by the system. It is called excretory This excretion is takes place by with the help of the excretory part, that is the neural gland, pylori glands and nephrocyte. Next character is related by the nervous system. Dorsal tubular nerve cord only present in the larval stage. Reduced to a single dorsal nerve ganglion in the adult. Mostly hermaphrodite, fertilization cross and external. Development indirect, including a free swimming tailed larva with the basic chordate structure or the chordate characters, that is in this also animal metamorphosis process they are present. And last the next character for this animal is the asexual reproduction by the budding common. In this, that is not the separate, sexes are separate, male and female gamete is not separate, that is in this no to form the sexual reproduction but only to form the asexual reproduction.